All right, it's February 29th. It won't be the 29th for 4 more years. Google 29 Google. All right, I'm going to show you how to import a photo from your computer into your Drive account. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over to our 9 little squares. We're going to click on it. It's going to give us this drop down. We're going to go to Drive. It's going to open up our page here. Now you can change the way you view it. Right now I have it in lists. It is. All right, so what I want to do is I want to go to New. It's going to open up this window or box. And I'm going to go to File, Upload. And what that's going to do, it's going to give me this drop down. And in here I can pick anything. Now I'm on my desktop. If I wanted to, let's say, bring this Burn Us Day, the burn in me recognizes the burn in you in, I could do that. If I wanted to pull this video in, I could do that.
This is how you cure hiccups.
That's Madison curing your hiccups. Or I could take this photo right here and I can import it. So I'm going to pick this photo right here. Now I could go to Documents and I could find something in here like this photo if I wanted to of my dad. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Desktop. I'm going to take this photo. It's one of my favorites. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose that. And it's going to load it into my Drive. And if you look down here in the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to see there's a little box that comes up. And it says 1 upload completed. It shows the picture, Lynette in the Park to JPEG, and it shows it right here. So if we go in here, we can find it, Lynette in the Park. Here it is right here. And if I click on it, it'll open it up. And then if I want to get out of it, I just go to this arrow here. So that's how you upload a photo into your Drive account with Google. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with your Drive and your Google account. Peace out.